The Lone Star quilt pattern is a timeless classic in the quilting world, beloved for its striking radiant star design that bursts across the quilt top. This iconic pattern offers quilters a captivating challenge that showcases their skills and creativity. Whether crafted with a vibrant array of colors or a more subdued palette, Lone Star quilts never fail to make a stunning visual impact. The pattern's versatility allows for endless possibilities in design and color choices, making it a must-have for passionate quilters looking to expand their repertoire. For those eager to try their hand at this classic design, there are numerous free Lone Star quilt patterns available online. These patterns cater to various skill levels and preferences, from traditional interpretations to modern twists on the classic design. One popular free pattern is the Easy Lone Star Quilt by Donna Jordan of Jordan Fabrics. This straightforward pattern is perfect for beginners and features a large central star block made from diamonds. It's an excellent choice for those who want to create a quilt of valor or simply add a touch of traditional elegance to their home. For quilters who enjoy working with pre-cuts, the Jellied Lone Star Quilt by Terry-Ann Swallow is an innovative option. This pattern utilizes jelly rolls to create the iconic Lone Star block, offering a fresh take on the classic design. The pattern includes multiple size options and even provides a coloring page for experimenting with different color combinations. Another intriguing free pattern is the Spiral Nova by Storied Quilts. This design puts a unique spin on the traditional Lone Star by manipulating fabric placement to create a mesmerizing spiral effect. The result is a quilt that's both familiar and refreshingly different, sure to catch the eye and spark conversation. These free Lone Star quilt patterns offer quilters of all skill levels the opportunity to create stunning personalized quilts without breaking the bank. Whether you're drawn to traditional designs or more contemporary interpretations, there's a Lone Star pattern out there to suit your style and skill level. By exploring these free patterns, quilters can dive into the rich tradition of Lone Star quilting while expressing their own creativity. Each completed quilt becomes a testament to the enduring appeal of this classic design and the skill of the quilter who brings it to life. Visit ilovequiltingforever.com for more Lone Star quilt patterns and inspirations. Happy quilting!